18, 22, 30, 28, all at well in excess of a run a ball. If he goes on, DAB and online on FM, it's time for the news.
That's an unbelievable shot from Lewis Rees. Back.
Parkinson is in, and that one
is
on. He's bowled him round his legs. He's bowled him round his legs, off stump peg back. Lewis Rees goes. Parkinson strikes in the first over. Derbyshire 6 for 1.
Just clipped leg stump. It's a soft dismissal there after what looked like a promising start after 6 from the first 2 balls.
David Lloyd comes out and bowls to Lloyd, who cuts this away. That's going to be 4. That was using the pace of the bowler. Bowls to Lloyd, who lifts this out towards third man. That is 6. For a moment, I thought third man was going to be interested in that one, but it's gone over his head. 23 for 1.
Yeah, fast start from David Lloyd again. It's short and it's wide, and he's thrown the kitchen sink at that. He's got a thick.
For 1. Nathan Donald has swept that so fine that it's gone racing away down to fine leg. He's almost sort of scooped it around the corner. Far more now. Parkinson bowls, and the Nathan Donald's gone big down towards long off for 6. He's not going to hang around now. He's got his first boundary. Now he's got his first 6. He's got 11 off 4 deliveries. And surprised he wants to have a look at it. Parkinson bowls. Oh no, he's got a top edge. He's going to be out. Caught on the edge of the ring. He is out. And Nathan Donald, he's gone. And he went to the well, not that often really, but he has gone for 11, and Derbyshire lose their second wicket. They're 35 for 2 in the third.
35 for 2, off to a good start, but lost 2 wickets now.
Ben Raine with the catch on the edge of the circle. 11 off 5 deliveries, 2 wickets now for Callum.
That's a good start for 2. That's
bowls.
a brilliant shot.
What a shot that is from David Lloyd. On the back foot, forcing it square on the off. In goes Coghlan.
What a shot that is.
Marvellous from Wayne Madsen. That's gone for 6. That is one of Wayne Madsen's favourite shots. Bowl to Madsen, who guides this over third man just about and down to the boundary for 4. Play to come. Bowls, and that one is crashed away by Madsen for 4. Out towards the cover boundary. There is a man on the edge of the circle. He's in again now on balls. That one is launched in the air. Wayne Madsen's going to be caught here. The fielder is running in from the boundary, settles himself and takes the catch, and Madsen's gone. Nathan Sowter strikes in the first over outside the power play. Madsen goes for 22, and Derbyshire is 65 for 4.
He can hit it anywhere, all his shots. He's got so much skill, and he's just got out. He's trying to hit it straight down the ground and just completely mistimed it. Long offs come running in.
Raine is in and bowls to Samuel. Goes straight through him. I have no idea. He's got an inside edge, clearly.
Yeah.
But I have no idea how that hasn't hit the stumps. The City end bowling to Brooke Guest, and Guest drives and might get 4 runs for this. Yes, he does. It's been missed by the dive of backward point. Frightened me with a short delivery. This one's he's been feathered it behind Brooke Guest. I thought it was a play and a miss. Coghlan picks up his second wicket.
Maybe just a little bit of extra bounce, but it's another soft wicket for Derbyshire to lose at 84 for 5, and this is where you start to look at what's to come with no Zach Chappell in the lineup. Only Alex Thompson to come, who can offer any sort of resistance with the bat. So a lot now rests on not having any runs behind him.
And he's
dropped him
been
at slip.
dropped first ball at slip. He just fenced at that one outside the off stump. It was an indeterminate sort of shot, really, and will be hugely disappointed. None more so than Paul Coghlan, who could have had 2 in 2.
Yeah, that was nearly perfect. Bit of.
Here comes Potts again. Short delivery. Samit's taken him on. He's got 6. Out towards third man into the VIP area, if that's what it is. Potts is in again. Samit's taken on. He's going to be caught in the deep. He's not been caught in the deep. I'm not sure whether it carried fully. If it did, it's been put down. And Patel survived.
I think he's got very lucky that he's hit it out to that side. I think because the sun is so low on that opposite side, I think it's Nathan Sowter out there. He's really struggled.
I think the sun is at that position as this crashed into the onside, into the gap for 4 runs from Ross Whiteley. Good start to the over. It was good.
They're on the edge. There's one everywhere.
Struck the pad. Big appeal he's given him. Samit has gone. Nathan Sowter strikes with the final ball that he bowls in the 8 for 6.
Yeah, just as we spoke about at the start of the over, to try and get out of this over, manage the risk.
Ben Raine around the wicket, balls to Whiteley, who's caught behind. No. Got a little feather on that one.
Special night out and get him up to a competitive score. He's not been able to repeat his heroics from last night. He's gone. Derbyshire 110 for 7 off only 13.4 overs. And they're really staring down the barrel here. They're going to have to do something extraordinary in the second innings to have a beard here.
Colin,
that's a
Colin
good
is
shot.
it, and that's
Connell.
for Alex Thompson. Just smashes it down towards wide long on for a bounce.
He's
Heave
done
for
it for
six.
six.
Absolutely brilliant. To backward square leg. 6 runs to Alex Thompson. He had a beautiful flat 6 last night at New. Parkinson into bowl to Mohamed Amir, who's launched that for 6. There's another one to add to the collection. That's gone a long way. Hasn't quite gone over the media centre, but not far off. Mohamed Amir bowls. He gives himself room and he's bowled him. He stepped into the leg side and went for the big swing. In another world, he's probably done his job.
He has, yeah.
But
13 is a...
In this world, he hasn't, unfortunately. And Ben Raine picks up his 2nd wicket of the evening. Derbyshire 142 for 8.
Darren de Pavlon comes out to join Alex Thompson now.
The wall.
The wall.
Right. Ben Raine is in. Thompson goes for the scoop. And gets a single. And Derbyshire will finish with a bit of a damp squib on 155 for 8. 6 runs off the last over. Now to bowl to Alex Lees, who drives for 4. Out towards the extra cover boundary to complete silence, which is always a good. And goes to Pavlon around the wicket. That one has been lifted for 4 more by Lees over the head of mid-on. Durham, he's in and bowls to him, and he cracks this away into the offside for 4 more. Once he gets past Samet, it's always going to go to the boundary, and Aaron Donald. Thompson is in and bowls, and that one is cut away for 4 runs by Alex Thompson. Dropped it a bit too short. Thompson is in, and that one's pulled into the leg side for 4 more by Clark. Drops that short. More silence. Brown bowls. That's lifted. Catch. Go. Oh, I thought he'd taken it, Thompson, but he dived away to his left-hand side. It's gone for 4. 36 without loss. Durham. He bowls, and that one is edged and caught by Mohamed Amir. Pat Brown takes his 22nd wicket of the season. He's had a good campaign. Clark goes for 13. Is this the start? Who knows? 36 for 1 Durham. Once again, bowling from the racecourse end, and that one is crashed away into the ground. That might go all the way to the boundary. Ross Whiteley's racing around but can't get there. And it is 4 runs. Mohamed Amir is not happy about something. Don't need to lose wickets. They just need to carry on as they are. That one's been driven down the ground. There's a dive by Alex Thompson. He doesn't get there, and it's 4 runs. They're not easy to come by, though, in T20 cricket. That one is a slog sweep. 4 runs from Alex Lees. In between the 2 fielders on the leg side boundary, Lloyd and Brown. 12. It says here. That one has been pulled around the corner. That'll be 4 runs unless David Lloyd can put the dive in. Oh, he put the dive and it bounced over his right arm. 9. Thompson is in. That one's been launched down the ground. Is it going to be caught? Is it going to go over the field? It's going to go over the field. Just a one-handed attempt to catch it. And Aaron Donald down there. 5 to win now. He heaves this into the leg side. He's been caught by Samet Patel. That's a shocker of a shot from Beddingham. Samet takes the catch, diving to his left-hand side. At short mid-wicket. I defy you to go to any other sports stadium in the country, possibly the world, and expect to hear the Bay City Rollers. Samet bowls. It's a full toss. It's turned into the leg side. In fact, it's done more than been turned into the leg side. It's gone for 4 off the bat of Alex Lees. In between the 2 fielders out there. I didn't think he barely touched that one.
Full tosses, they don't take much hitting, do they, Fletch? It's very rare from Samet Patel.
I don't think they've got to the position where they probably need to finish it off quite quickly. And he's hit another 6 out towards the mid-wicket boundary over the head of Pat Brown. 6 more. / whatever they want to be, really. Edged and just past the edge of just past the dive of Brooke Guest. Rapid delivery over the wicket. Bowls to Lees, who heaves this into the leg side. 4. Out towards Alex Thompson. No, it's an Aaron Donald. Hampton this season. That's a slower ball. It's been smashed back down the ground for a 6 by Colin Ackermann. That has gone all the way. 5. As Mohamed Amir bowls, and that one's cut away for 4 by Ackermann. Oh, there's another 6, is it? No, it's going to drop short. It's bouncing once and going over the rope for 4. Straight back over Pat Brown's head from Ackermann. He moves to 45. He's in. Bowls to Ackermann, who gets a bottom edge, and he's down for 4 to fine leg, and now the scores are level. Just about sums Derbyshire's night up. All 50 as well from Colin Ackermann, who acknowledges the applause of the just falling to Colin Ackermann, who's on 50. It's a full toss, and it's beaten away into the leg side for 4, and Durham win this one by 8 wickets. That is an absolute hammering from a Derbyshire perspective.